Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to another wonderful and powerful recipe. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make your partner call you fast using their photos. Okay, if you want to make your partner call you fast, if you have somebody that you love, somebody who is far from you, somebody that you have in your heart, somebody that you like so much but they are not calling you, and you want them to call you, very fast, you can do it using only their photo. In this video I'm going to show you how to carry out the spell to make them call you fast. Okay, if you are seeing me for the first time, you are blessed. My name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in the channel that help your relationship and love life to be sweet and beautiful. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question that you want to ask, drop it on the comment section. Okay, if you have somebody that you love, maybe your man or your woman, they have not been calling you guys have not been communicating very well, and you want them to start calling you, you want them to call you fast, this recipe is something that you should take serious. This recipe is something that you should practice. So for you to make this happen, you need to get the person picture, recent picture, not old picture. Okay, you need to get the person recent picture. Okay, it can be passport as well. Once it is their picture, either their full picture or a passport. Okay, you need to get their recent picture. Okay, when you get the recent picture, you get me a candle. You can get a white candle or a pink candle. Any of these, you can get a white candle or pink candle. So we are going to be using white candle in this teaching. Okay, now when you get candle, the next thing you should get is a piece of paper. Now on this white piece of paper, you are going to write their name on the white piece of paper. Okay, when you write their name on the white piece of paper, under it you write call me fast. Okay, you write call me fast. Okay, that's your request. Okay, you write it on the white paper of paper using a pen. Okay, you are going to use a pen, not a marker. Okay, when you do these things, when you get these things ready, then you keep your phone. Okay, you get your phone and keep it. Okay, so now how do you practice this recipe? Firstly, you need to keep this passport or the photo or the full photo on the table. Okay, keep it on the table. Then this candle, now you are going to light it up. Okay, you light it up. Now after lighting the candle up, you get this piece of paper that you have written their name, drop it on the table as well. Okay, now as the flames of the candle is going up, you start visualizing of them calling you. Okay, you start visualizing of them calling you, you start visualizing of your phone ringing. Okay, that's as that candle, the flame is going up, it's going to bring connection between both of you, wherever the person is. Okay, it's going to make them have you in their mind. Okay, so now once you have finished visualizing with the flames of that candle, now you are going to pick that passport on that photo. Okay, now when you pick that passport or that photo, okay, you are going to repeat the person's name. You're going to call the person's name. Like if it is Gideon, you're going to say, Gideon, I want you to call me fast. Okay, let our communication flow freely. Okay, let the universe guide us. Okay, you say these things as you're holding that picture. Okay, once you are finished saying all these things with that picture, you are going to lift up that candle. Okay, lift up that candle and place the picture on the floor, then drop that candle on top of it. Okay, you drop that candle on top of it. Okay, the white piece of paper where you have written their name, you are going to burn it with the flames of that candle. Okay, you are going to burn it with the flame of that candle. All right, when you burn it with the flame of that candle, okay, you are going to leave the candle there on top of the picture, to burn down by itself. You are not going to be the one to off the candle. Okay, and you visualize of them coming back to you. You visualize of your phone ringing, of you receiving their call. Okay, this is something that you can practice to make them call you. When you do this recipe, when you do it the way I direct you, they are going to call you fast. Okay, they are going to call you fast. If you don't understand any part of the video, you can ask questions, okay, so that I will explain it more better for you. If you are confused in any way, you can ask question on the comment section. I will explain it more better for you. Okay, so what you need is the candle, the picture or passport, you know, a white piece of paper where you are going to write their name, not your name, their name, the person that you want them to call you, and you write your request. You call me fast under the white piece of paper. Okay, then you start doing other things. Okay, so that is how you can make them call you fast with just their photo. If only you know how to do this, you are going to, you know, stop worrying yourself about, you know, communication. Okay, so try and do this recipe. Please, if you do not understand any part of the video, try and ask question. Okay, I will answer you very well. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in this video. Okay, so make sure that you practice this recipe. They are going to call you fast. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.